Hi guys! Today we're gonna be doing a little euphoria moment. I tried to get into my Maddy vibe. I'm just gonna be literally doing my makeup like Maddy. I'm gonna show you guys my inspiration picture right now. I'm just gonna change the color a little bit because I thought it would be cute if we did it in a lilac color. But yeah, let me get started. Okay, so Maddy has like perfect skin. It honestly looks like she's not even wearing makeup half the time. This is moisturizer and I'm gonna try to apply a good amount. And then I'm just gonna take a concealer that is not even my color, but it's fine. And I'm gonna just basically spot correct and conceal under my eyes. I'm also trying to apply as least makeup as possible just because my skin has been doing so much better without me applying makeup, which is why I'm not doing foundation or anything. For eyebrows, this is so weird for me, but I'm not gonna do anything to them. All I'm gonna apply is brow gel, which is like, this is the only time you'll ever see me not apply anything. And I'm actually gonna wait to put on the brow gel because it kind of makes them stiff and I can't really work with my face. It's weird. So I'm gonna go straight into the eyeliner. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, so I just moved my mirror a little bit closer and I also realized I didn't even set. So I'm gonna set using my air spun like always, just under the eyes, just so it doesn't crease. I don't have like colored eyeliners or anything, so I have to make do with what I have. To apply the base, which is going to be a really light concealer, just so I have like a guide, I guess. I don't really even know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this strobe cream, which I don't even know what this is supposed to be, but it's like white and shiny, so I'm gonna use that as like glue or like primer, I guess. And then I'm gonna apply the colored eyeshadow on top. I'm gonna be using these two to try and mix them to make like a really cute lilac shade. So we will see how this goes. I will find a way to make it work if it doesn't work. So right now I'm just going to use this concealer, which is the lightest one I have, and then just this angled brush, which I actually use for my brows. So I know they're probably not super duper even, but honestly that is not my concern. I'm gonna go in with the little strobe cream and see how this works. That's what the strobe cream looks like. I'm probably an idiot and everyone knows what strobe cream is, but I don't. I think it's highlighter, honestly. Actually, maybe if I mix some eyeshadow with the strobe cream, it might work better. So that's what I did. I'm gonna try to mix them now. That's what it looks like. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm just gonna go back over it with eyeshadow, just eyeshadow this time. Like kind of just set it with eyeshadow. Doesn't even look good on camera. I swear it looks so much better in person. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit with concealer because I high-key f***ed up on this side. I'm gonna use the same concealer I used before. It looks better in certain angles because I used shimmery shadow, which shouldn't have used, but for diamonds or whatever, I'm gonna be using these, which are actually like a decal. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just gonna pick them off And I'm gonna use eyelash glue to glue them on. Okay, I'm gonna put on lashes first and then I'm gonna do the diamonds. I'm gonna apply the tiniest amount of eyeliner. Now the last thing is the diamonds. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the crystals off of camera because I feel like it's not even exciting. I will be right back with all the crystals. I'm back with the finished result. This one came out a little whack, but this one I think is okay. Like, it's not bad. I'm gonna apply mascara to the upper and lower. And then I'm gonna do brow gel. I'm gonna do the tiniest bit of bronzer just so I look a little more tanned. And then highlight. For lips, I'm going to put on a gloss and then put on a little bit of glitter because her lips have glitter on them. So I am gonna line them with a little bit of a darker shade. Finally, the last step is the glitter. Cute. So this is the completed Maddy Perez makeup. I love how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Thank you guys for watching and I will talk to you guys later.